Now we are installing engine wiring harness. This is full change engine wiring harness. So we are replacing the new one. See. This is Nissan Patrol. What model this one? This is 2014 model Nissan Patrol. This is a big engine. To distinguish the big engine, there is a BBL. This is a big engine. If there is a BBL, this is a big engine. Without BBL, this is a small engine. This is a 2014 model. See, to remove this one, you have to remove the intake manifold also, so that you can install the new one. This one, complete engine wiring harness. We remove this one, the intake manifold. See, the intake manifold is down outside to install the wiring harness.